Hello everyone, welcome to Top the most important function. This powerful tutorial can help you understand and look up the uses and syntax of top the most important function in Excel. And today I would like to show you the next function in lookup and reference. This is index function. And in order to know about the uses and syntax from the computer keyboard, you can press the index. And after that, you can see the instruction here, and here is the usage. Returns a value or reference of the cell at the intersection of a particular rows and column in a given range. And after that, if you want to know about the uses, you can press more two parentheses. And here you can find two index function. And in these tutorials, I would like to show you the first index function here. And as you can see, index function of array type have three arguments. The first is array, the second is row numbers, and the third and the last argument is the column numbers, and here is the optional argument. And here I already described about the uses and syntax of this function here. And look back at the example in the list of table, list of multiply tables. You have to look up the multiply name from multiply name table here, or in other words, you have to copy the data or copy the value from here to here based on the brand name or capacity. And in order to do that, you need to do a step by step as below. From D21 you can press the index, and after that you have to define the argument. If you want to define the array, you can select the range from the H21 to J23 and press F4 from a computer keyboard to fixed arrays. And next, row numbers, you can count row numbers. You can count the numbers of Suzuki in the table that contains the brand name here. Suzuki is the number 2, so that you press 2 here. The next column numbers, you have to define 110 in the tables that contains the capacity here, and you found that the 110 is a column number 2, and now you press 2 here and press enter. You can see the intersection of the Suzuki and 110 is the viewer, and here is exactly the result. But if you want to automatically calculate the row numbers and column number here, you should know and should use the more function. In these examples, this is a math function. In order to do that, you can do as below. From the row numbers, you can type math function. Now you have to define the x argument of math function. Lookup value, you choose the B21, and lookup array, you can select the range that contain brand name from multiply name tables and press F4 to fix. And the next math type, you can choose the 0 for exact math type. For the column numbers argument of index, you can press more math function, and the lookup value, you choose the C21, and lookup arrays, you can select range from the H20 to J20 that contains the capacity, and press F4 from computer keyboard. And math type, you choose zeros and press enter. Yeah, you can see the result is exactly. And now you fill the formula for as a value from top to down. Yes, and now you can check the result. If Suzuki with the 1000, Yamaha with the 1000, Yamaha 100, Yamaha and 100 is Krypton, Suzuki, Honda and 125, Honda 125 is spacey. Yeah, exactly. All the result is exactly. Yeah. Yes. Above, I already shows you the index function and how to combination of the index and math function to get the motorbike name from the motorbike name tables. Yeah, and I hope that you can use the index function combined with the math function for your job to or you can use more job for more efficiency. Yeah, and now I would like to finish my video here, and thanks for watching, and see you later. Thank you.